Alright, long time no video from me, but here we go. We're going to get going on this problem. This video is going to help you with problems 3 and 4 on your homework. Those problems, they give you the area and they have you solve for something else. So that's what I'm going to be helping you guys with in this problem here. This particular problem is more close to number 3 because it's asking for the perimeter. So that P represents the perimeter. They give us the area, they give us the apothem, but they do not give us the side length. So first thing that we need to do, excuse me, is we need to fill in what we know. So we need to set up our equation. So we're going to fill in 522 for the area. We know that the apothem is 8.7. We don't know the side length, so that stays S, but we do know the number of sides is 6. This is where a lot of kids get confused because they're like, well, we don't know what n is. Yes, we do. We can count the sides even if we don't know the side length. And we divide that all by 2. So the next step is to start simplifying. So the only thing that I can simplify right now is the 8.7 times 6 on the right side of the equation. So when we take 8.7 times 6, we get 52.2. So now my equation should say 522 equals 52.2 times S divided by 2. Okay, I'm going to transfer that to the next page. So we have 522 equals 52.2 times S divided by 2. Since we can't simplify anything anymore, we need to get rid of the fraction. So to do that, we have to multiply both sides times the denominator. So that means I'm going to multiply this side times 2. And I'm going to multiply this side times 2. On the right side, they cancel each other out, and we're left with 52.2 times S. And on the left side, we get 522 times 2, which is 1044. The last step to get x by itself is going to be to divide both sides by 52.2. We have to undo that multiplication. So to do that, we have to divide. And 1044 divided by 52.2 gives us 20. Okay, so that isn't quite our answer yet because we now have to fill that in to find our perimeter. So to fill it in to find our perimeter, you just kind of add all your sides together, or perimeter equals 20 times 6, since it's a hexagon. So 20 times 6 gives gives you 120. So our final answer is actually P equals 120, and our label would be centimeters.